Guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. So in today's video, guys, I want to show you how to reset and customize your TikTok for you page. All right, this is actually your TikTok for you page. It's your home page where you can stream videos on TikTok. All right, so guys, if you actually want to make TikTok an app that will only suggest videos that you are interested in, then this video is for you. Now, there are several things you have to do in order to achieve that. This is because TikTok does not have the feature to allow you choose your interest of videos. So what you have to do right now is to follow this guide that I'm going to show you. So guys, this first step you have to take is this. Now, if you find, for example, if you're not interested in dance video and then you see a dance video on your TikTok app, all you have to do is this: click and hold on the video. Then you find this option to click on not interested. Go ahead and do that. Now, once you click on not interested, that video is going to be removed from your TikTok app. So if you do that to 2 or more dance videos, TikTok will stop suggesting dance video to you. All right. So another one is this: if you find a video you are not interested in, do not like it. Now, if you want to like video, you double tap on the screen just like this. So do not double tap on the screen or clicking on this heart icon if you're not interested in the video, or if that's the video you don't want to be seen on TikTok. Do not like it. Okay, that's number 2. And then the third thing you want to do is this: is to click on this discover icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you want to find your searches. Click on that. What you want to do now is to clear all your searches on your TikTok app. This is because TikTok also suggests videos to you based on what you search for on TikTok. So guys, go ahead and clear your searches on TikTok, and once you do that, TikTok will stop suggesting those videos you used to search for on TikTok. So go ahead and clear that. Now, the last thing you want to do is to clear your cache memory on TikTok. Now, go ahead and clear your cache memory on TikTok. Click on the 3 lines at the top right corner of your TikTok profile, and then just scroll down, and you want to find this place. It says free up space. I think that's it. Or is this right? Yeah, that's it. So just go ahead and click on this free up space, and you're going to find the option to clear caches. Go ahead and click on that first option. Click on clear, and then it will clear your cache memory. You can also clear your download memory if you want. Clear that. All right, this is to wipe the memory so that TikTok will stop suggesting videos that you have searched for or you have downloaded on TikTok. So guys, this is how you can make TikTok a healthy app for you, so that it will only suggest videos you want on TikTok. So guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like, and please subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.